Okay. Yeah, we're recording. Yeah, this is the 1997 Harley Davidson Fatboy. It's in excellent, excellent condition. 70,000 miles, but not just 70,000 miles, without my hand of expertise. Because I've done all the repairs and updates on this bike. It's in excellent condition. Right now, the way it is right now, it could easily go probably another 80,000 miles. Easy, because it's in very good condition. Oh, it's been sitting for quite a while. I started it up about a month ago. But, still I keep it on a battery tender. To where the battery's up to par, everything like that. Let's see. I got the petcock valve open and the ignition unlocked, so I can turn that on. Okay, here, let's turn her on. There we go. You can see all the headlights on there. Let's give her some throttles, because sitting here a month. Alright, let's see now. Here we go. Well, we're almost there. See, the carburetor bowl is empty, because I always shut my petcock valve off, and let them run a while. When I go to shut them off, it keeps them from overflowing. Yeah, I'm going to have to help her out a little here, it sounds like. Well, here, let's set her right. Whoops. You still recording? Yeah. Okay, let's see here. What's going on here? See, our fuel's turned on. I may have flooded her out. That might be what happened. Wait a minute. There we go. Loosen the gas cap. Sometimes they can build up vacuum in the tank. what happened there on that slow starting, what caused that carburetor's adjusted well, and that carburetor's good. It's the Mikuni, and it's got plenty of fresh fuel in it. But see, sitting there for like a month, and then, the gasoline, it developed an air pocket in the rubber fuel line is what happened. It had to work that out. That's why I'd run a little and dive, run a little and dive, and then if I tried to accelerate, it would only hesitate and dive, and the fuel had to drain down, in it, to work out the air pocket in it, because the fuel bowl was empty. That's what happened there. But see, if that bike, that Harley was started every once a week or so, that shit would not happen. But she's okay now. Actually, if I would have let it sit longer, like after I opened the petcock valve, let it sit longer, and then take like a ratchet wrench and tap on the fuel bowl, it would have started easy.